Love is one of the most powerful forces in the world. It's something that every person desires, but it's also something that should be earned. Ladies, when it comes to relationships, there is an important truth you need to understand. A man who truly values you must work to earn your love. And this isn't about playing games or making things difficult. It's about ensuring that your love is reciprocated, respected, and cherished. Today, I'll share 5 powerful reasons why it's essential for a man to earn your love and how doing so benefits both you and your relationship. Now, the number one reason is value is earned and not given. Value is earned and not given. Let's start with this. Anything that is given freely without effort or accountability is often undervalued. Think about it. When you work hard for something, whether it's your education, your career, or even a goal you've been pursuing, you value it more because you have invested your time, energy, and resources. Now, the same principle applies to relationships. You get it? The same principle applies to relationships. When a man earns your love, he understands its value. He knows it's not something that can be taken lightly. If you give your heart too easily or too quickly, there is a risk that he won't fully appreciate what he has. By allowing him to put in the effort, you are teaching him that your love is not just something that he can take for granted. You understand? It's a gift, and gifts worth having require effort, commitment, and dedication. You understand that? Now, this doesn't mean you're withholding love out of pride or manipulation. It means you're giving him the opportunity to show you his respect, his care, and his attentions through his actions. When a man knows he has to earn your love, he's more likely to cherish it because he understands the effort required to attain it. And in turn, you will feel valued and appreciated, knowing that he truly recognizes your worth. Now, the second reason why you should let a man earn your love is, excuse me, it shows his true intentions. Now, let's face it, intentions matter. In today's world, it's easy for people to pretend or say the right things without actually meaning them. Words can be empty, if they are not backed by action. When you make a man earn your love, his true intentions become clear. Yes, his true intentions definitely will become clear. A man who is genuinely interested in you will be willing to put in the effort. A man who is genuinely interested in you will be willing to put in the effort. He will show consistency in his actions. He will prioritize your needs, respect your boundaries, and make you feel like a priority in his life. On the other hand, if a man's intentions are superficial or self-serving, he won't have the patience. He won't have the patience if he's not genuine. He won't have the patience or desire to put in the work. And that's exactly what you want to uncover early on. So, by setting the standard that your love is something to be earned, you create a natural filter. If you set a standard that your love is something that should be earned, you create a natural filter. The men who are serious about you will stay, while those who are just looking for convenience will fall away. And that's a good thing. You are saving yourself time, energy, and heartache by identifying who's truly worthy of your love. Remember, a man who is willing to invest his time, energy, and effort is showing you that he's not just interested in what he can get from you. A man who invests his time and energy is not interested in what he can get from you. He is interested in building something real and lasting with you. Now, the third reason is it protects you from settling. It protects you from settling. This is a big one. Ladies, making a man earn your love helps protect you from settling for less than you deserve. Too often, women fall into the trap of accepting the bare minimum because they are afraid of being alone and because they've convinced themselves that they can't ask for more. But let me tell you something. You actually deserve more. Now, when you let a man earn your love, you are setting a standard. You are setting a standard for how you want to be treated. You are making it clear that you won't settle for mediocrity or half-hearted effort. And when you set that standard, you are empowering yourself to walk away from situations and people who don't meet it. You get that? When you set standards, you're preparing yourself to walk away from situations and people who do not meet that particular standard which you have set for yourself. This is not about being demanding or unreasonable. It's about knowing your worth and refusing to compromise on the things that matter most to you. A man who is serious about you will respect you. He will respect your standards and rise to meet them. He won't see your expectations as a burden. He will see them as an opportunity to show you how much he cares. By making a man earn your love, you are protecting yourself from falling into relationships that don't serve you. You are giving yourself a chance to experience a love that is fulfilling, supportive, and aligned with your values. Now, most importantly, you are reminding yourself that you are worthy of a love that meets your highest standards. You get that? Now, the fourth reason why you should let a man earn your love is it creates a stronger bond. It creates a stronger bond. How? Effort is the foundation of any strong relationship. Effort is the foundation of any strong relationship. When a man earns your love, it strengthens the bond between you because it requires both of you to be intentional about the relationship. Now think about it. When a man invests his time and energy into earning your love, he's building a foundation of trust, respect, and commitment. He's showing you that he's willing to put in the work to make the relationship thrive. And that effort creates a deeper connection. Now, on your end as a lady, allowing a man to earn your love gives you the time and space to get to know him on a deeper level. It allows you to see his character, his values, and his priorities. You are not rushing into anything. You are taking your time to build something meaningful. You're really taking your time to build something meaningful. When both partners are intentional about the relationship, it creates a bond that is resilient and lasting. You are not just falling into love. You are growing into love. And that is a kind of love that is far more powerful than anything that comes easily or without effort. Now, the fifth reason, the last one but not the least, is you are the prize. You are the prize. You get that? Finally, and most importantly, making a man earn your love reinforces the truth that you are the prize. Ladies, you are not you are not an aftermath or an afterthought. You are not someone's second choice or backup plan. You are a woman of value, and a man who wants to be in your life should recognize that. When you let a man earn your love, you're teaching him to respect you, to honor you, and to see you as an incredible woman you are. You are showing him that your love is not something to be taken lightly, that it's a privilege and it's worth working for. And here is the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. A man who truly loves you will see you as the prize without even having to say it. He will know your worth, and he will be eager to show you that he deserves to be by your side. He will work for it. He won't be intimidated by your standards. He will be inspired by them. Now, when you carry yourself with confidence, and self-respect, the right man will see you for who you are. He will know that being with you is a blessing, and he will do whatever it takes to earn and keep your love. And that's kind of love you deserve. The kind that is built on mutual respect, admiration, and effort. In all, I want you ladies to remember this. Love is beautiful, yes, but it's not something to be given away freely or carelessly. A man who truly values you will understand that your love is something he must earn, and when he earns it, he will cherish it, respect it, and protect it. By making a man earn your love, you are setting the foundation for a relationship that is built on trust, effort, and mutual respect. You are protecting yourself from settling, creating a stronger bond, and reminding yourself and him that you are the prize. So don't be afraid to set your standards high. Don't be afraid to ask for the effort you deserve, because when the right man comes along, he will be more than willing to rise to the occasion. And in the end, you will both be better for it. Thank you for watching. Now, if this message resonated with you, make sure to share it with someone who needs to hear it. Let's continue to inspire and empower one another to embrace the love we deserve. See you some other time. Remember, it's your girl and will always be your girl, Eberichai. Bye for now.